You're probably watching this video because you want to start YouTube automation, but you're not sure which niche to get started with. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 niches that you can start this month. And then at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you a method that you can use to actually, based on these niches, find unique niches for yourself so that you don't have to like one-on-one copy these niches that you're seeing right here. All right, so let's dive straight in. All right, so niche number 1 that we have here is called Benchflix. They have 18 videos up, 8,000 subscribers. They started in March 23, so a few months back, and they are currently getting 300,000 views every single month, which is really good for just 18 videos. Their videos are between 11 and 15 minutes long, and basically what they do is pick certain sports and then say why the positions in these sports or just a sport in general sucks to be in. And I really like what this channel is doing because they picked a format, one branding style, one title style, and they just repeat it over and over and over. And it seems to work really well for this channel, as you can see. So their first one was why it sucks to be a pitcher, why it sucks to be a catcher, why it sucks to be a point guard. So they just go over every single sport, and then they pick the certain positions and say why it sucks, which is kind of like counterintuitive because of course these sports personalities make a lot of money. People think it's awesome to be like in these positions. So why would it be bad and why is it like a miserable life as they show? It's like this cartoon-ish AI style, super easy to make, white background, one image on the left and then miserable life. And they do the exact same thing every single time, as you can see. Let's open one of the videos to see how they make their videos.
So in 20...
Let me run this ad so I can skip it.
First dribble, it just was. Like the ball was part of your body before you could...
So they just make AI image slideshows, as you can see here. The whole video is made up of basically like these cartoon-ish, like comic book style images that they just slide over. Let's see how many like seconds they keep between the shots.
My junior year, the crowd started showing up an hour early just to watch warm-ups. You were box office. They started calling you...
See, so it's like 5-ish seconds per slide.
But of the program.
And they just have like a small zoom effect, and then for the new slide, they like have a like transition through it. So it's very easy to make. They have barely any SEO, as you can see here. Let's see if they have any video tags. They do use channel and video tags though. So this is really becoming a trend this year, where you just take like these AI sliding images and make your videos like this. There's some other channels coming like this. But yeah, based on these views, this channel RPM is probably like $4 or $5 based on the length and this topic with sports. So they maybe are making like $1,500 a month from this channel, but that's only with 18 videos up. So that's pretty good. Now, real quick guys, if you want to learn how to make AI channels like this, I recommend you just join my Faceless Tuber School 5-day free challenge. It's a free 5-day challenge that you can join in this school community. I will share the link in the description. It has 5 challenge day videos, each being 30 to 60 minutes long, with downloadable PDFs and fill in the blank sheets so that you can start your channel, and we'll talk you through how to pick a niche, how to make videos with AI, and how to get started with this yourself for cheap. And that's way you can make channels like I just showed you. Okay, so click the link if that's something you want to do and actually like work towards. Now, channel number 2 is Moving History. It has 20 videos up and 16,000 subscribers. And they are getting almost 1 million views every single month. Their videos are 10 minutes long. And as you can see, they also have this very specific style with the left image, the right image, and then just an arrow from left to right. And these channels have been like popping up the last month too a lot, where they just say like the most beautiful man of the past brought to life, or like the most beautiful celebrity then and now. It's sort of like before and after comparisons. And what they are doing, let's see, this video completely blew up. Let's see what these one do. I think actually this one is a bit different, where they make the images move with AI probably. So they use like a video engine like VO3 to make the images move.
I've brought to life the most handsome men of the past. Actors, soldiers, royalty. Their charm survived century. Manzo Wilder lived a quiet pioneer life, but his calm eyes and...
So just find the image, say who it was, and then they use these AI image generators or video generators to basically make the image move a little bit.
Charm inspired generations through Little House on the Prairie.
Very interesting style. It's really something new that started the last 2 or 3 months, since like the video AI generators are getting better and better, and you can actually make these like real life looking AI images. So this is just like, with this you can do for a lot of different historical topics, images, or celebrities or whatever. But yeah, it's a very easy and creative way to make videos, because you just take the images and turn it basically to life, right? So you can get very creative with this, and this channel is already doing like $4,000 or $5,000 a month with just 20 videos up. So very interesting market to start with. Now, niche number 3 is Remember Me. It's kind of the same thing with the historical topics. Let's see, they have 60 videos up, 40,000 subscribers, and they're doing almost 3 million views a month already. That is big numbers. Their videos are also 15 to 20 minutes long, so the RPM will naturally be a little bit higher because of that. So this channel, based on like almost 3 million views, they might already be making over $10,000, $15,000 a month from this channel alone. Now let's see which videos are doing very well for them and what it is that they are exactly doing. Okay, so most videos that do well are from the last few days. This seems like a bit more random than the last 2 channels we've seen, so let's analyze what they're doing that is working. 15 great TV shows, theme songs you forgot, 15 weird facts about Incredible Hulk. So this is more like a top 10 listicle channels about like TV shows, it seems. Yeah, so it's mostly like top 10 listicles about old TV shows or comics that they break down and compare with. Let's see at their most popular videos. 10 TV characters that mysteriously disappeared, 10 major TV stars that left hit TV shows, small wonders, the weirdest TV shows. Yeah, so it's more like vintage nostalgia, old school TV shows that they break down and make listicles of. And again, you can do this about all the cartoons, you can do this about all the TV series, about like popular series, movies, anything from the past that was popular, you can like break down and make summaries of, basically. This is more like that nostalgia, old feel for, you know, what was popular in the past. Let's play one video to see what they do. Alright, so this is all these facts about Magnum PI.
Eyebrow, that half smirk, that silent, are you car chases and slow motion fist? Do you ever find yourself on Oahu and Breeze Creator?
The secret to its smoothness.
Yeah, so what I actually also like doing, just like this channel is doing, like taking these old things from like the 70s, 80s, or 90s and then making summaries of it. This attracts like an older audience. They often watch on TV, so older audience and TV, they watch longer, the RPM is higher, and people love this like nostalgia feel. Plus, there's a huge audience of people, like older people watching YouTube, that like to feel nostalgic about stuff like this, you know? So very interesting topic too. Look for some cool TV shows and then get started with that. Okay, number 4, Historian Sleepy. So these history sleep channels have been blowing up the last month too. And what they do is just make ultra long 2-hour plus videos with AI talking about specific historical topics. Can be anything really, so you can be very creative with this too. And what they do is just make some AI images that go over the specific historical topic. And then look, after like 40, 50-ish minutes, they just play a blank screen, acting like, oh, you fall asleep right now, so you're not even watching this clip anymore. I'm actually surprised this video is showing content still like 1 hour and 40 minutes. But some of them already stop after like 20, 30 minutes and just show a black screen. So again, this is just AI slideshows with some like graphic overlays, as you can see. No music in the background, just like a chill voiceover speaker that apparently like the idea is you fall asleep to it. That's why it's so long. The RPM of these channels can be like $20, $30. So you don't need a lot of views to earn a lot from these videos. And this has been working very well. You know, when the watch time is so high, people just leave it on in the background and listen to it and fall asleep to it. So the watch time is very high. YouTube favors this a lot. And it's very easy to make with just the AI voiceover and images. This channel is doing what, 1.8 million views. So yeah, if your RPM is $20, it's 1,800 times 20. So you're looking at like a $30,000 a month channel already with just 90 videos up. Again, this channel covers like historical stuff, you can get very creative with this in terms of the topics in history or just other topics to make channels like this off. Now, the last one for today is something that's also on the rise right now, and that is live streaming your content. So live streaming has been like around for a long time, but the last months we've seen more and more YouTube automation channels live streaming their old content. So you just take your old videos and you live stream it to YouTube. Now, this is cool because when you live stream it, you can use your old content without getting reused content strikes. So you can just take your old videos, your best performance, let's say, and live stream them on YouTube. And look, this channel, for example, has 2 live streams up right now. Here is 520 people watching and here's 82 people watching. And what you can do is 24/7 live stream your old content over and over again if you want to. And you can get ad revenue from that. You can then choose to unlist your video after you want to cancel it. And this way you can make ad revenue from your old videos without having to put the video on your channel. So you can just put up 4 videos of your best performing, 4 live streams of your best performing videos in the past and make money from your old content even more so without it costing extra money. So there's different tools that you can use for this. If you comment live stream under this video, I will send you a link to the tool that I've been building with my friend for the past month to monetize your YouTube automation channel using these live streams. This channel is doing 1.5 million views every single month, and these live streams easily get like $10 RPM or higher too, because the watch time is so long, because it keeps repeating itself. It doesn't cost you money, and people just put it on, turn it on in the background and keep listening to it, just like these like long time sleep channels. All right, these were the 5 channels for today, guys. These live streams you can do in a bunch of historical niches, religious niches too. So very easy to make with AI. I hope you liked it. Now, really quick, if you want to learn how to come up with the niches yourself based on these channels that I just showed you, then click the video in screen right here. Because in this video, I'm showing you my method, how you can come up with niches based on existing niches using some AI tools and prompts, so you can make original niches based on the ones that I just showed you today. So click this, and I'll see you in the next one.